Welcome viewers, welcome back to Affordable Kitchen. Today we are making egg sauce with 2000 naira, guys. This is a meal on a budget. We are using fresh tomato. We got our tomatoes for 200 naira. We got our eggs for 750, that is 3 eggs. We got some spring onions for 100 naira, our green beans for 200, our garlic for 100 naira, spices for I think 350, and then our pepper for 200 naira, guys. That is what we are using today. I had vegetable oil at home already, so that is how I'm making use of 2000 naira. So if you don't have 25 thereabout, can be enough for you to make this egg sauce. So we added our oil to the pot, we added our onions, guys. My son was giving me trouble, my onions almost got burnt. So we now add our tomato, guys. It's not easy filming when there's nobody at home and you're the only one at home and you have a toddler with you. It's not easy because most times when you think they'll be sleeping, that is when they are sleeping and you want to do something, that is when all of a sudden they just wake up. And I'm the only one at home with my baby, and that is why all this, it was so stressful doing this today. Like I just say, I've gotten the ingredients and I've prepped them already. Let me just manage to do this. So that is why we are making egg sauce today. Plus, we want to give you meals on a budget. So our tomato was cooking nicely. As you can see, it was cooking well. We added our fresh peppers, that is our chopped peppers, the Scotch bonnet peppers, and we added our seasonings. That is, we added our curry, our thyme, and our all-purpose seasoning, guys. And that was it. That was all the seasoning we're using for this recipe. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. This was just my preference, and that was it. So we went ahead to mix everything together and see if it was okay. We added our seasoning cubes, added our salt, and everything was going well. We added our green beans, guys. This was what I could get because I thought when I got these things for this egg sauce, it was fasting period, and in my area it's really hard to get stuff during this fasting period. So that was why I just had to use this, because most times I like adding green pepper and all of those stuffs to my egg sauce, but I could not get it and I had to make do of what I could get. I didn't want to whisk my egg also. I just wanted to add it like that because there is this, how did they call it? There's really call it. Like, I don't know if you understand, but that's what I wanted. So I had to add it and allow it to cook for a while before I could mix. And I'm not even mixing it in like everything at once. I was just making sure that it doesn't get burnt from under the pot. So I just had to do this and allow it because I wanted, there was this oh my god, I don't know how they call it, but that was what I wanted, guys. So this was it. You can see my egg sauce is coming out good. So it was the time for the final touch. I added my spring onions, guys, and this is just it. Egg sauce is so simple. You just have to add every of your spices after your tomato is well cooked, and then you go ahead. So we are done adding everything together, and that's it, guys, for the egg sauce. Thanks for watching. Please turn on the notification bell, and if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. We love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. We love you. Do come back to watch next time. Stay blessed, remain blessed. We love you from Affordable Kitchen. Bye.